Hi guys, and welcome back to Buy Direct Online. In this video we're going to show you the cookie Ottoman and how it arrives and a little bit of information about it. So this is how it comes. The cookie Ottoman comes boxed. Just open the box. Just do this carefully obviously so that you don't go cutting through the product on the inside. The knife, and here we go. So there's our Ottoman, and quite well protected here in the bag. What a great looking little product. Found these very popular. Many uses, little breakout areas or schools. Just so many uses. But what a great little product. There you go. You can just see in the video the base, all metal and very well constructed. Obviously, got your casters and upholstered. Very nice foam too on this. It's great. Just moves around. Really easy to move around. So if you want a little breakout Ottoman, sit and have a chat with someone, or sitting at a bench, table, desk, doing some work, collaborating. Perfect little product for that. We have it stocked in lime green, as you can see in this lime green at the moment. There is other colours and indent, but currently we're just running with this one colour. If you'd like to know any more information about this great little product, the cookie Ottoman, please don't hesitate to contact us. And we trust this video has been helpful. Thanks very much for watching.